win?
Yes.
Woo! Look what he's dressed.
As American Heart Association advocates, today we'll be asking you to support two bills. First of all, healthy food options on state property, and secondly, a $2 tobacco tax increase through legislation.
So I'd also like to welcome you to our 11th annual Heart Disease and Stroke Lobby Day in California. This event has grown tremendously over the past 10 years, and I'm so proud when I reflect back on all that we've accomplished during that period of time. Today, we have over 200 people here for California Lobby Day, so thank you very much for that.
In case you're wondering, he is 6'11" and wears a size 18. We asked all these questions outside. We were just curious. Such a tall guy. We just knew he was our special guest for today just from the height, even if you don't follow basketball. So,
Thank you. My name is Jason Thompson. I'm a starting power forward for the Sacramento Kings. I just finished my 5th season with the Kings. Everyone knows that it's important to eat healthy, but I think the most important thing to teach people to eat healthy is with kids. You know, the different events that I do with my foundation, I've been to certain schools where we teach heart and healthy activities.
it's very early in the year, so some of the questions you were asking, we don't have answers to yet, because as the bill goes through the process, it goes from committee to committee, and legislators like myself have the opportunity to provide our input, it will become clearer. Our bill has already been heard in our first policy committee, and the opposition rolled out. Who do you think would oppose a bill like that? Put on your creative thinking hats. How about the soda pop manufacturers? How about them? How about the people who operate the vending machines? Because what we're trying to affect is a culture shift.
Hi, we're here to represent the American Heart Association, here to talk about Assembly Bill 459, the healthy food and the vending machines.
Healthy food and vending machines. Where are the vending machines?
They're in government property, so like the buildings here.
Good morning. My name is Beatrice Cardenas Duncan, and I'm a longtime advocate for the American Heart Association. I am also one of your constituents, and I really want to thank you for taking time from your busy schedule to meet with us.
Some schools don't have vending machines, so those foods have been not so great, and so this bill would help us put better food into the schools so the kids can also eat healthier and be healthier.
Very good. Christopher, I'm going to support your bill. Thank you for your comment. They have agreed to also visit my office regarding the other bill. What is it you want to talk to me about?
We're here to talk to you about the tobacco tax raise.
Taxes. We don't like taxes very much. Why should we have a tax?
Because we're trying to avoid people, youth in particular, to pick up their first cigarette and begin harming themselves with lung cancer and other health issues.
Does raising the tobacco tax reduce the likelihood that a teenager will start smoking?
Yes, because we like our money.
It is the fact that for the 15 years, we have not raised the tax on any of the purchases of cigarettes. And it's very, very important to understand that the monies that will be raised because of this tax will be able to fund those organizations and departments that are in the preventive efforts to stop smoke cessation, but also take care of the health issues that are attributed to the smoking aspect.
Beatrice, Christopher, thank you very much. I'm going to support your bill. And our skits are over. Please join me in applauding our wonderful
Every time you buy a single pack, it'll cost $2 more for tax.
Right.
Cigarettes are the single most preventable cause of death here in California. It's been 15 years since California has raised tax on cigarettes, and over 30 states have at least $1 tax on a pack of cigarettes. So I think it's about time we raise ours too. So we believe that raising the tax on cigarettes will definitely reduce the amount of buyers. If we raise the price, we believe we
Might think twice before we buy those cigarettes.
Yeah.
Okay, perfect.
So thank you. Will you pass that along to?
I definitely, yeah, definitely will, yeah.
Thank you.
Assembly Bill 459, which is
459, okay.
yeah, which is the healthy food options.
Okay.
And this bill improved nutritional standard of vending machines and consent stands on state property.
Oh yes, I've seen it.
Provides healthier food options for state employees, because nearly half working hours are spending at work, and foods
yeah,
are,
I know the answer to that.
and
Right.
foods are available in the vending machines, and they limit the choice
Right.
that employees have, and those foods are always garbage foods. That salts and oils
Right.
will lead to obesity, heart disease, and this act also create a framework for regional and regional government nutritional standard policy to follow suit.
Oh, right, to follow, to do the same thing. Yeah, so
Have a
starting
model.
with one example, yeah. Yeah, I actually had seen this bill, so okay, perfect.
And there's like, you see a lot more students are lining up for the fresh made food, and it even shows like the date that it's made.
Right.
And then they also require you to get milk, fruits, vegetables, and the meal. And students have been like enjoying their meals.
Yeah.
Yeah.
Much better than the Cheetos or whatever they
Cheetos?
get out of
Yeah.
the machine. Are you interested in a health career? Is that why you're involved in the process, or do you know? Yeah. Want to be doctors or
Nurse.
nurse? Oh,
Nurse,
good.
yeah, nurse.
Oh, good. Wonderful. Well, this is a great way to learn about the issues, and it's
It is.
great to have
Yeah.
you involved. Yeah.
I know. It's so
Yeah.
nice to have the students and future voters here
Yeah, exactly. It's
to
a
learning more
great
about
way to
legislative process
learn about
too.
the process. Yeah, exactly.
Yeah.
Good. Well, thank you for taking the time to come visit us. We appreciate it.
Okay, great. Well,
Good.
thank you,
Yeah,
Debbie, for
good.
meeting with
Well,
us.
wonderful to meet you. Terrific. Well, good to meet all of you. Thank you for coming. Thank you so much. Nice to meet you. Good luck and thank you.
Thank you.
Thanks so much.
I heard Galileo was in town. Are you in town? Let me hear some noise. Is Galileo in town?
California is in fact behind, and we haven't raised a tax on tobacco since 1998. That's 15 years ago. And I can't believe that as a democratic state, as a progressive state, the last time we've raised taxes on tobacco has been 15 years ago. It is important that you've come here today. It is important that you've set the groundwork. When you walk into the Capitol, you engage the legislators, Democrats, Republicans, individuals, regardless of who they are, regardless of what state they represent. It's important that they see you. It's important they hear your voice. It's important that you have your voice heard, because you will make the difference. I'm one individual. I'm just one individual. I'm just a senator. That's all. Collectively, you represent all of us throughout the state of California. And collectively, we can do this together.
Support 7-6 days today. Come on, make some noise. 768 today. Support 768 today. 768 today. All right, stomp your feet. I want to hear you stomp your feet. Stomp your feet. Make some noise. Stomp your feet in support. Come on, y'all. Make some noise around here. Okay? This is in support. I want to hear noise like you were making. Make some noise.